Welcome to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Ngisho namagutsumela phakathi.
Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapho sisele ndawo la kudume khona kuthiwa abantu besoul, abantu bama 40s. So today it's a celebration in life after 40 and Bhuti uzosichazela. How are you, my brother?
How are you?
How is life after 40?
After vote, yazini sesidele yonke into thina sisebenzile until 40 and manje was celebrating ukuthi ngayazini senzile izinto and kwamanje sesibadala and abantwana bethu sesisazi ukuthi achievile when coming with the thought abantwana bethu sebasebenza basebenzela thina nabayasebenzela.
All right,
so we are celebrating i-age yethu ngo-2000 sambile saze safika.
Yeah, okay, so ngiyabona ukuthi use group, like kusho ukuthi wena igroup usayithanda ne?
Akushongabe ngoba vela ngeke ngishodise because I'm celebrating ukuthi manje abantwana bami at least seba right kule age engifike kuyo.
Oh, basically a life after 40, you guys are celebrating ukuthi you know what, sesiqedile sesisharpu abantwana bethu bazosebenzela. Let's move on.
Yeah, yabona manje nje just sithatha vele i-break yethu.
Yeah,
i-break le si-enjoya impilo zethu kwamanje.
Yeah,
kwamanje besisitrafeka from there ukuthi masibheke bona ukuthi yazini sigijimisa lento ukuthi at least bebe right. Kwamanje we are celebrating the 40 le sesiqedile thina.
Guys, Nimzulu Bhuti celebrates life yakhe after 40 and it's great. He has done it all, so it's katsake. That means life after 40, like life begins and after 40. This is Party Slayers with La Push. Please subscribe, like and share on YouTube.
Iqalela mina ke 40 years ukuthi manje sengimdala ke.
Okay, uthi Bhuti kamdala. Okay, ngiyabutha siyabonga.
Sengiqedile. Ngibonga mina.
Yeah, siyabonga but please guys, this is Party Slayers with La Push. Like, share, comment and subscribe. To subscribe guys, it's free. Sisele Ndawo, a life after 40 event. Thank you.